TO Pictures.
This is the finest plane in the world.
A true story, shot on location in the Middle East.
I'm Iraqi. I give my life in its defense.
Starring Mario Hemingway and Ben Cross.
I want to know everything about you. I love listening to you.
I don't want to want you as much as I do, but I can't help it.
A story of betrayal.
They just want to talk to you.
Who wants to talk to me?
We believe you understand the importance of survival.
A story of treason.
We want you to fly from Iraq to Israel.
I want full tanks and auxiliary tanks fitted. Ready for takeoff in 30 minutes.
Sometimes love is the cruelest weapon of all.
How did a woman so beautiful get to be so cold-hearted?
I never meant to hurt you. I love you.
Steal the Sky.
There once was a simple man who lived a quiet life.
Come on, everybody! Rise and shine! Wake up!
All he needed was the friendship of his pig.
You cheated! You had more legs than me!
And the occasional lunch with a friend.
What, the children?
Why don't you take a picture? It'll last longer.
Then, from out of the blue,
I thought I just saw a lion out there.
the circus came to his farm.
Circus? Well, I never.
Now, life is thrilling. His house is overflowing.
I hope we're not putting you out.
Of course you're not putting me out.
Mamma mia.
His love life is sizzling.
But it had to happen sooner or later. You're a man. She's Italian.
Women can't live with them, can't live without them.
Tell me about it.
His town is boiling.
Pee-wee Herman, you can pack up this flea circus and get out of town.
Make me.
And his heart is bursting. Pee-wee Herman, the hero.
Who's that fluffy kitty?
The lover.
And Vince! Have you always been so handsome?
The legend.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Cabrini Circus proudly presents Pee-wee Herman. Doesn't look like he's found his niche yet.
Big Top Pee-wee.
Stay with me now. Stay with me.
It could have happened in your neighborhood.
Don't you mess with me.
It could have been your neighbors.
You came real close, baby.
Anyone can be a suspect. The spate of violent robberies were frightening the Miami community.
I'm sorry. I tried. Please.
But they weren't normal
We have over 2
robberies.
dozen witnesses and no two people saw the same thing.
Cops' hands are tied. Something's got to be done about it.
Look for a Mini 14 or AR-15 rifle.
They weren't normal murderers.
I didn't know you were a suspect in Patty's murder.
They were executioners.
Good to hear from these guys again.
We used to do this in the Army.
Pretty good at it, too, huh?
We do. You better be ready for it.
They had no regard for innocent lives.
Just came in. 2 banks were just taken down in Miami.
It was the FBI's job to bring them to justice, to relentlessly pursue and then destroy this evil team.
It's coming back around.
Based on a true story, the FBI Murders reconstructs with alarming accuracy
2 white males fitting subject description.
the FBI investigation leading up to the death of 2 FBI agents by the men known as the Killing Machines.
Now.
Starring David Soul as Mike Platt, Michael Gross as Bill Maddox, and Ronnie Cox is the FBI agent assigned to track them down. The FBI Murders.